Welcome to NSM 3.5 SaaS. In this video, we will do a deep dive on advanced search in analytics logs and system events and learn how it helps you investigate events faster. Advanced search helps in two common workflows. Proactive monitoring, where you hunt for high-risk patterns early, and reactive triage, where you isolate a spike and find what is driving it. First, proactive monitoring. Here is the situation. As an admin or an MSP, you want a weekly watch list that surfaces risky activity early. The goal is to create a saved view you can run again and again across devices or tenants. Start in session logs or system events. If you want to move fast, begin with the visual filter builder. Use it to add the key filters you care about, like risk, category, application, or action. This gets you to a clean, focused result set quickly. Next, switch to query mode to refine the search. Query mode is where you can combine conditions using // or logic and make the filter more precise. This is the difference between a basic filter and a real watch list. And for advanced hunting, you can use regular expression matching. That helps when you need to match a pattern, not just an exact value. If you need it, query syntax help is built in, so you can confirm operators and see examples. Here is a quick speed tip that makes this even faster. Dynamic suggestions can help you build queries more quickly while you explore. Enable dynamic suggestions and sort suggestions by sessions in descending order. That way, the most common and most relevant suggestions appear first. So you can refine your search with fewer steps. Once you start refining in query mode, NSM also keeps track of your recent queries. That means the patterns you just built are ready to rerun with one click without retyping. When you find a query that works, bookmark the query you trust. Now you can promote it from recent to saved, so your team has a consistent watchlist query that is easy to reuse across devices or tenants. Finally, save the filter. That gives you a repeatable monitoring view you can run weekly during reviews or anytime you want an early signal. Now, reactive triage. Here is the situation. Bandwidth spiked and the site feels sluggish. Our goal is to isolate the affected subnet and identify the traffic pattern driving the slowdown. Start by filtering to the impacted site using a CIDR match. This removes noise and keeps the investigation focused. Next, add conditions using // or logic to narrow by application, category, or risk indicators. As you tighten the query, the results reveal what is repeating and what is consuming attention.